When you look at things from a different perspective, you begin to set new goals and new challenges for yourself and strive to accomplish them. You establish new standards and dedicate your full passion to putting them into action. At that moment, everything changes. To change the status quo, it takes courage and determination, but most importantly, it takes teamwork. Today, we are ready to face every challenge and commit ourselves fully, without hesitation. It is this courage that has brought us to where we are today. Founded in 1965, and we market our own brand, Hartford, across the globe. Our products are sold in 65 countries, with over 60,000 machines operating worldwide. For the past 60 years, we have been committed to innovation and developing our own technologies. We provide our customers with more efficient and higher quality services. We listen to our customers, understand the market, and plan for the future. We deliver unique solutions for every requirement, tailored to each project and client. No matter where you are, we can provide the service you need in the way you need it. We continuously launch new series and new products, always staying ahead of market demand. Only by becoming a leader ourselves can we inspire our customers to lead as well. We always deliver the most advanced technologies, intelligent features, and services. Because only by doing things differently can we truly create change. We insist on building great machines. If possible, we make some profit. If necessary, we take a loss, but we always build the best machines. This is a promise, a firm and unwavering promise. Hartford.